Good morning. First thing we are trying to do here is write the equation of the line that has the point that's given, the ordered pair 8, 9, that is perpendicular to the line 8x plus y equals 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to graph 8x plus y equals 3 and get a visual on what we're trying to do here. I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. So that's going to give me y equals negative 8x plus 3. All right, so over here, we've got, pretend that's a straight line. Let's try that again. Close enough. Okay, so for this one, the y-intercept, this is in the form of y equals mx plus b. The y-intercept is 3, and our slope is negative 8. So if our slope is negative 8, that's the same thing as negative 8 over 1. So we're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to the left 1. So it should be right there. All right, we're going to connect the dots with a straight line. That did not work. Let me try again. I think I can do a little better than that. Do better if I had a ruler. Okay, so there we have the line 8x plus y is equal to 3. So what we're going to do now that we've got the original line given, what we're trying to do is find the line that goes through the point 8, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. All right, if I counted right, it's got to go through that point, and it has to be perpendicular to the line that we're given, that blue line that we were given. So just to visualize what's going on here, that's not exactly right. Let's make it that's a little bit better. And let's go ahead and make it go through there. It's a little bit off. Should have made the line bigger in the first place. Okay, so again, the blue line is 8x plus y is equal to 3. We are looking for the equation of the pink line right here because it goes through the point 8, 9. That's what the problem tells us to do. Write the equation of a line that goes through this point that's perpendicular to the blue line that we were given. All right, so remember that if a line is perpendicular, that means that the two lines are meeting at a right angle, right, at 90 degrees. So what we need to know is need to know the slope of the pink line, because that's the one that's perpendicular to the blue line. We know that lines that are perpendicular have slopes that are negative reciprocal. So perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So we know that the slope of the blue line that we were already given was negative 8 over 1. We got that from right over here. And we know then that the perpendicular slope, we're going to flip it and change the sign. It was negative right here, so that means we're talking about a positive 8, 1 over 8 right there. So what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to use this slope and this ordered pair to write the equation of the line. So most students choose to use y equals mx plus b. This is x, this is y. So we have 9 equals 1/8 times 8 plus b. 1/8 times 8 is 1. Subtract 1 from both sides. That gives us b is 8. To write the equation, we just plug in our slope, which was 1/8, and x plus 8. So right here, this should be the equation of the pink line. Now, I didn't use a ruler. I did use graph paper, but I didn't have a ruler. So let's just double check it and see if it looks fairly accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a little off. It's not exactly perpendicular here. We didn't measure that. And then the slope is 1 over 8. So it does look like our slope is up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that looks a little bit off too. What I would recommend that you do to check your work, since I didn't use a ruler, it's a little harder to see. Where's Desmos? All right, here we go. We started out with y equals 8x plus y equals 3. We solved, that gave us negative 8x plus 3. That's our blue line. Let's see if we can make it blue. There we go. And then we want the pink line, which is 1/8 times x plus, where'd it go? 8. Let's see if we can make that one. We'll make it red because I don't have a pink right here. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of check and make sure that it goes through the point 8, 9. So 8, 9, right about there. Yeah. There you go. There's the point 8, 9. It does look like it has a y-intercept of 0, 8. And because their slopes are negative reciprocals, we know we've got the right answer. So you can check it with Desmos or with your graphing calculator. I hope that helps. If not, let me know and I'll try again.